Hello everybody, I got a green screen. It's pretty cool, right? I hope that I can incorporate it in more of my videos to come, but for now, I have something else to show you. So today I'm going to take some time and show you 5 of my favorite 3D printed houses that I got off Amazon. So right off the bat, the square cottage isn't actually square if you can look in the measurements up here, but it is very pretty and I really do like it. Please don't blame me, I painted all of these myself, so go easy on me in the comments. You can paint them however you want, but I chose these color schemes. The double-decker cottage is where I'd want to live personally. It's the best one in the set. It looks really cool. It kind of has that A-frame. It's got a interesting aesthetic without being super fantasy. Really like it. If your mother-in-law is coming over to visit, you can stick her in the shed, small cottage. There's probably room for a bed or a haystack, whatever you'd like to give her. The last piece in the set isn't actually like the other 3. It's a stone cottage, which I do like, but it does seem a little out of place from the other 3. But it does look really good still. So, I like it. And last but not least, the mausoleum. Now this one came in its own set that I bought previously for the graveyard build. It also came with some gravestones, but I never glued it to the base, and so I can use it wherever I want. I think it's really versatile. Well, that's what they look like when someone like me paints them. I'm sure you could do a much better job. If you'd like to take a whack at it, I'm going to provide the link to where I got them right up here and in the description. Please share your work with me. I'd love to see what you can do, and I hope this was helpful to you. Have a wonderful day, take care, and happy crafting.